Now we're going to show you how to assemble using a standard.iam, assemble your bracket and bracket 2. Let's begin. We're going to select New, Standard IAM, click Create. We're going to go up here to the top ribbon and we want to place. Now this button is split into two different pieces. We want to make sure that we are on place, not place from Content Center. Place. Go to your H drive. First initial last name 000. I'm going to get my bracket 2. Click open. Click to place my bracket 2. I still have another one attached to my cursor, so I'm going to press the escape key. Going over here to the left hand side where it says bracket and 2 in my browser, I'm going to right click and I'm going to go down here to the bottom where it says grounded. That places a pin into that yellow square that's in front of bracket 2. That means that bracket 2 is not going to move. Then I'm going to place again. Go back to my H drive, first initial last name 000, get my bracket, click open. I'm going to put this one in front of bracket 2. Press escape. Now in order to assemble these together, I'm going to take and constrain. I want to mate the center line of this peg here in the middle at the top 12 o'clock position. There's lots of different things to click up here. You want to make sure that you have the dotty dash line, and click. And I want to locate it with the hole that's here. Center point of this hole, that's the dotty dash line. Move your mouse around until you get the dotty dash line that looks like this, and click. That's going to place them on top of one another. Click apply. Now I'm going to press cancel, and I'm going to pull these two out and away from one another. Next, I want to mate the center of this big peg in the middle to the center of this hole in the middle. So I'm going to constrain again. I'm going to mate the center line of this peg, dotty dash line, click, and I want the center of this peg hole here in the middle. When I get my dotty dash line, I'm going to click, and that's going to put them together. Click apply. Next, I want to mate the bottom of this bracket 2 and rotate around to the back of bracket. Going home, let's do that. I'm going to first mate the bottom ditch of bracket 2, and then I'm going to use my rotate tool here on the side and rotate this around so I can see the back of my bracket. I'm going to mate the back here, click apply, and when you go home, all of your pegs should line up in the middle. That shows us that you had them drawn right. Great job. Press cancel. If you have problems with these aligning, talk to Mr. Lammers. He will help you out. Now that we are finished, we're going to save. Go to the orange capital letter I. Click Save As. We're going to make sure that this is going into your first initial last name 000, your H drive. And we're going to call this bracket assembly. Click Save. Congratulations, you are finished.